you caught my eye.
Release all of those sounds that are trapped in your mind.
Hey, yo, you know this, boy, he's got his free taco.
Hey, how you doing? Well, I'm doing just fine. I lied, I'm dying inside.
I'm sorry, I fell asleep while I was waiting on you to make me a sandwich.
Go back to sleep and starve.
I don't need friends. They disappoint me.
I should have left you on that street corner where you were standing. But you didn't!
Yeah, I always get the vibe that you, like, hate me or something. What? Me hate you? You're right.
Brian,
Yeah?
do you want to go to the dance with me?
No.
Wait, what? You're not coming to my tea party? Bethany, I made biscuits!
Sure, you may be verified on Twitter, but are you verified in the eyes of God?